today guys, I'm gonna make some beef pot roast. You could call it beef stew also. And this is what it looks like, guys. I already went ahead, prep it, wash it with lime and vinegar, and put my dry seasoning. So what is there pretty much is like a tablespoon of browning, a tablespoon of all-purpose, some black pepper, some garlic sauce, and some onion salt. So that's pretty much what is there at this point. I still have some more ingredients like my carrots, my onion, my potato, and all those good stuff. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start the cooking process. So my pot is here, it's already heated, and so now I'm gonna put some olive oil in my pot. You can use any oil of your choice, guys, but I just happen to have some olive oil here. So my olive oil is in my pot, and now I'm gonna put my meat. So right now I'm trying to, just distribute the oil in my pot. And here you go with my meat. So my meat is going in. This is what the meat look like, guys. This is beef. So you want to put all your meat in the pot and allow it to braise a little. So right now I'm going to take my wooden spoon and stir just like that. So as you can see, it's looking good. So guys, I just changed my pot because I realized that you guys can't see too much because that's such a tall pot. But this one is better so you can see what is going on inside. So now I'm stirring, and it's been gelling up for at least 5 minutes now, and I'm pretty much getting ready to put some water and allow it to boil, to tenderize. So this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm gonna put about a cup of water inside and allow it to boil. So I'm just shaking out my remainder of gravy I had in that pot. And as you can see, I think I need some more water. So I have enough water there. My meat is all covered, and I'm gonna allow it to cook for about like 20 minutes and see where we're at in terms of tenderness. I also have the rest of my ingredients here: tomato, carrot, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. I also have some potato. So I'm gonna leave it there to tenderize. So I see you in 20 minutes. So guys, the meat has been cooking now for about 20-25 minutes, and this is what it looks like so far. So take a look. And now I think it's tender enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rest of my ingredients. So I have 1 onion all diced. That goes in. One small tomato. I have some green thyme. Just gonna go ahead and cut it up a little. Drop it in my pot. 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Put it in there. Have some garlic, like 3 cloves. I put 1 in it already. So I'm just cutting the garlic in small pieces. 2 stalks of scallion, otherwise called green onion. Just gonna cut it up. I got 2 carrots. Just gonna dice them in big pieces, not too small. 2 potatoes. I'm gonna cut in medium-sized pieces, just like that. You don't want to cut them too small, guys. Don't want them to mash in the pot. So that's that for now. Now I'm going to put some more seasoning. In other words, I'm re-seasoning my pot. Because all that cooking just kind of take away some of the, the flavors. So you got to go back in and re-season. Some black pepper, about like 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stir my pot. I need to put some more water also. You don't want to bust that. So guys, be careful. You don't want to break that scotch bonnet pepper, because it's very, very hot. So I just want to shake this around so that I can even out my, flavors, my seasoning. So this is looking good so far, and I'm gonna allow it to cook at least another 20 minutes or less. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste to see if I need some more, seasoning and all that. So this is tasting good so far. I'm gonna tip a little bit of ketchup. Not too much, just a little, like a teaspoon. And stir. So I'm gonna allow this to come together, the carrot, the thyme, the potato, and all of those good things come together nicely. So now I'm putting some more water, like another cup of water. So 1 more cup of water in my pot. I'm gonna put the lid on and allow it to boil. So I'm just now using my spoon to position my ingredients. So now I'm putting on the lid. So guys, you want to keep your flame at medium. Allow it to cook slowly, slow cooking. So guys, let's take a look at the pot to see what is going on. And as you can see, it is looking good, smelling good, and the meat is all tenderized. I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna give it just a little taste here. And it's tasting very good, guys. Don't need nothing else, no salt, nothing. See, our carrot is still intact, not mashed up. Also the potato, that's the whole idea. We don't want the potato to mash out too much. And guys, at this point it's ready. So I'm gonna just test the meat to see, to make sure that it's all tender. The meat is here, guys, and see, it's breaking away in your hand. See? Just like that. See, it's all done. So my scotch bonnet pepper is right there. It's not broken. And now I'm just gonna break the pepper a little, just to release a little heat. Don't want it to be too spicy, so I just open it a little to make some of the heat get in my pot. So let's see. Yeah, it's giving off some of that scotch bonnet flavor. Not hot. It's not hot, to be honest with you, not hot. I don't know what's going on with these scotch bonnet peppers nowadays. Like, they're not really hot. So guys, that's it, guys. It's done. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. Those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Son. And if you already subscribed to the channel, thanks a lot. Keep coming back for more videos, guys. Let's grow the channel. Remember to subscribe, like, share, also comment. So now I'm going to turn my flame off. Very, very good.